Cars top speed. Subscribe. Kia EV6 2022. If you like Kia EV6, then please do like, share and subscribe Cars Top Speed. Thanks for watching.
1. Kia's first dedicated electric car will be a low-slung crossover called the EV6. 2. The EV6 is launching both a new design language and a new naming structure for Kia's electric cars. 3. It's got futuristic design details like flush door handles and cool LED lights. 4. The EV6 will ride on Hyundai Motor Group's new AGMP platform, offering a range of around 300 miles and super quick charging. 5. The EV6 will debut at some point in March. Overview. Unlike other all-electric Kia models that are offered alongside gas and hybrid variants, the upcoming 2022 Kia EV6 will be the company's first dedicated EV. It will be built on the same electric global modular platform AGMP that will underpin a slew of new Kia EVs. The same platform is being used by the brand's corporate cousin, Hyundai, which is producing several fully electric models over the next few years under the Ioniq sub-brand. While Kia using a less interesting model name strategy for its forthcoming EV family, it says the goal is to be simple and consistent. Judging by the images of the 2022 EV6's aggressive front end, sleek silhouette, and unique lighting signatures, it'll be a lot more interesting to look at and, hopefully, to drive. What's new for 2022? Kia says that it plans to build 11 new electric vehicles by 2026, with the first being the new 2022 EV6. Apart from a few photos that tease its styling as well as tidbits about the naming strategy that will be used on the company's fleet of upcoming EVs, we'll have to wait for more official information to be released. Pricing and which one to buy. EV6, $45,000 estimated. Although Kia hasn't said how much the 2022 EV6 will cost or what trim levels and features will be available, we think it'll start at around $45,000 when it presumably goes on sale this fall. Engine, transmission, and performance. Since the EV6 is based on the same platform as its forthcoming fully electric cousin, the Hyundai Ioniq 5, we expect the two to have similar, if not identical, powertrain options. That suggests the Kia version will have a single electric motor feeding the rear wheels as the standard configuration. On the Ioniq 5, the setup generates 215 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. An all-wheel drive version of the EV6 with dual electric motors is also virtually a lock. The Hyundai equivalent makes 302 horses and 446 pound-feet. Range, charging, and battery life. Based on the Ioniq 5, we expect the Kia EV6 to feature a 77.4 kWh battery pack. Along with an operating voltage of 800 volts, it should be able to be charged from 5 to 80% in just 18 minutes when plugged into a 350 kW fast charger. We'd wager that the Kia EV will have an estimated driving range between 258 and 290 miles.
If you like Kia EV6, then please do like, share and subscribe Cars Top Speed. Thanks for watching. Cars Top Speed. Subscribe.